जो माँ करे ना प्यो, ओ करे क्यों? Welcome to day 17 of 21 days to good skin, guys. I'm sure you have guessed the ingredient by now. So like how mom used to, apply ghee on chapped lips and dry skin, and lately so many dietitians and nutritionists want, to get back to ghee. So I have totally gone back to ghee in my diet. So I thought, why not our skin? We need 2 spoons of ghee, and we'll be adding 2 spoons of milk, which is equal proportion of ghee and milk, and 1 spoon of besan. We'll mix all of these together until we get a smooth paste. Patches where my skin was really dry, it started to itch, but that's okay, it means it's working. Make sure when you're removing the pack, you're removing in a circular motion, because besan is an exfoliator that will help you further. People with oily skin should not shy away.